So what are the trainings that audits are required to do? Um, those that are required before getting hired, maybe some of the skills that you're required to have before you get hired, and what are the skills you develop after you get hired?
So in the UK, on the graduate schemes in the UK, you don't necessarily have to do a business or accounting or finance degree. You can kind of do any degree. But the key skills you need to demonstrate are really that analytical mindset. You really should have a good understanding of kind of the fundamentals of business, what the financial statements are, what is income, what are expenses, what is profit, and teamwork and capability. I'd say those are the three key ones. And when you join, obviously, you're put through your kind of chartered accountancy qualification. So in the UK, it's typically called the ACA, and that really focuses on, the accounting or technical aspects of the role in terms of, how do you correctly account for revenue? How do you correctly account for assets and various bits like that?
Okay. But are there some kind of trainings that you have to do after you get hired? Are there some certifications that PWC wants you to do after you get hired?
Yeah, so every graduate at the Big Four will have to gain the chartered accountant status.
Okay.
So you spend 3 years going through that process. It's depending which route you go, it's 10 to 15 exams, and you need kind of 3 years worth of experience. And it covers kind of the whole spectrum of business. You've got accounting, tax, corporate finance, and law, general business understanding.
Yeah.
So that's kind of what you have to do to become chartered. And then on top of that, PwC, because accounting standards actually change every single year, they're constantly being updated. On top of that, every quarter, PwC, and I imagine the other Big Four as well, do kind of 1 or 2 day residentials, where you go away for a day or two and you spend the whole day training to keep up to date with the new regulations and, new accounting standards.